I'm Julianne. I'm from the United States, 30 years old. I'm here in India at Healing Hands Clinic, where I've finally been declared fistula-free and 100% cured, which is an amazing end to a journey that's been almost 4 years long. April 2020, I had an abscess, and then over the course of 18 months, I had roughly 12 surgeries, setons, a failed flap. At one time, I had as many as 8 setons in to try and drain a large horseshoe abscess that I had. I found out about Healing Hands through a Facebook support group, which I'm eternally grateful for, and we made the decision to come to India with myself, my toddler son, my husband, my parents. And the initial consult here at the clinic was wonderful. We met Dr.Ashwin Porwal. He camera scoped me painlessly right there in the office behind a privacy curtain, where my parents and my husband were able to watch on one screen and I was able to watch on another screen what he found inside. And probably in under less than a minute of looking, he knew not only where my fistula tract was, he was able to show me that the closest setons I had in were not anywhere near the fistula tracts that I had, which is why they weren't effectively fixing me. He was able to determine that I had 2 branches tunneling upward, which I don't know how he could have possibly seen, but he is truly incredible. He's the most talented surgeon I've met. And it was in that meeting after the camera scope that he classified me as a class 5 complex fistula, the most complex type that they treat here. But he assured me that he would cure me, that he treats at least 1 class 5 a week. He's treated hundreds, if not thousands, of people just like me. And I am not a very emotional person, but I will say I got very teary when he promised in that meeting that he would cure me. And I didn't really want to believe him. I didn't want to get my hopes up, but he was right. And after 12 weeks here, I'm 100% fistula free, and it's been an amazing journey. The DLPL technique that he does is amazing. It's far superior to anything we have in the United States. And not only that, the surgery is one part, but the follow-up care that you receive here is second to none from what I've experienced in the US and what I've heard other international patients have experienced in their respective countries. It's you get the surgery and then you have follow-ups, you have EUAs where they go in and they look and they determine how things are healing on the inside. And then once you're confirmed, to be healed on the inside, they take such care in making sure that your wounds close correctly and that they don't close too fast, because obviously fistula patients have to heal from the inside out. And being seen every other day or every 3 days by your surgeon to ensure adequate healing and to ensure that the scar tissue is not going to cause you lifelong pain is just incredible. I wish we had come here years ago. I wish I had believed the reports when I first heard them. And if you're watching this, take the step, come to Healing Hands, because I truly believe, Dr. Ashwin Porwal is probably the most talented surgeon in the world with this type of condition. He's training so many other surgeons, but they don't have his technique and his knowledge and his skill set. And he's also the most humble and kind person I've ever met. And he cured me, and I have no doubt that he can cure you as well.